Since I'm the chicken man, I get calls every year this time of year on what, in my opinion, is the best way to make a turkey. I'm a firm believer in the trash can turkey. They need a couple things. First, you need a level site. You need charcoal. I always have at least a full-size bag. I usually throw an extra quarter bag on just for good riddance, lighter fluid to get it started. A metal galvanized trash can. If you're buying a new trash can, you want to make sure you season it first. So put it in a fire and burn off all the galvanized, or you'll have galva turkey. If you do have a fresh can, here's how you burn off the galvanized. And then a metal stake, and then a metal aluminum foil pan. The best ingredient is, of course, a turkey. Okay, so we're driving the stake in the ground where we want to do the trash can turkey. So here's a little trick I learned, and you'll see why at the end of the cooking. I take an aluminum pan, I cut a hole in the middle, and I put it down over the steak like that, and then I'm going to shape it so it fits underneath the trash can. So I shaped it, and I'm going to put the can down over it like that. So I dumped the full 20-pound bag of charcoal on the ground. So we're rubbing some olive oil on here right now, lubing them up. Of all my dry rubs, this is my favorite, Johnny Lovin'. Turkey. We've been waiting for is here.
You don't have it started, bro.
I have the seasoned turkey, the coal for hot. Moisture out of the soil. Make it like a convection inside. This is where you set it and forget it. We're getting ready to open it up. Pulling the coals off the top. Ooh, it is hot. Oh my God, look at that. That is sweet. And this is why I use this pan. For this very reason. You just lift it right off like this. Oh yeah. And this, my friends, is your trash can turkey. Golden brown, juicy, ready to eat.